Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the AstroAI S8 inflator and jump starter. So let's take a look. So inside, it comes with the inflator and jump starter. You get the jumper cables, user manual, and the carrying pouch. So going over some specs, this can be used for your passenger car, your motorcycle, your van, truck, watercraft, or your tractor. It's rated for 1500 amps, weighs in at 2.4 pounds, and has a voltage of 12 volts. This is a portable air compressor and tire inflator with an inflator range of 3 to 150 psi. So taking a look at the unit, you have the display here, your controls in the middle. On the left side, you have the input for the charging cables, the jump starting cables. And then the bottom, you can see the air hose along with the attachments. And then the top here, you have your USB-A and USB-C input and output, and then you also have a light. So turning on the unit, you have the power button here. Just hold it down. You have the battery indicator on the top. And then pressing the bottom button here, right now it's on the car preset. You can cycle through, you have a motorcycle, a bike, and then for your inflatables, like a basketball or soccer ball. And then you can also manually increase or decrease the levels. And then the top, you have the light button here. So pressing it will be a steady on. Press again, you have a flash, and then you have an SOS. Again, you also have the USB-A port there. If you want to charge out your devices, you can use it like a power bank. Okay, now let's just measure the decibel reading on this. I'm going to turn it on. So it's about 93 decibels, almost 94, 93.8. Now taking a look at the jump starter feature. To use it, you want to plug in your cable on the side here. You can only plug it in one way. Just insert it. And then on the top, you have the LED indicator. So once it's ready to charge, it says correct, will light up green. And then if you reverse the connection, there's also a reverse LED indicator there. So you want to plug in your positive and then your negative. And then right there, the green LED just lit up, so it says correct. And now you're ready to turn the ignition to start the car. Now we'll test out the air inflator. I have a spare tire here, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Let's see the current tire pressure. So it's reading about 50 psi. I'm gonna go ahead and increase it to 60, because this is supposed to be inflated to 60 psi. So now I have the target to 60 psi, and then I'll start the inflator. So it's at about 52 psi right now. It hits 60 psi and then it automatically stops once it reaches that target. All right, so there you have it. This is a look at the AstroAI S8 Air inflator and jump starter. If you're interested, I put the link in the description box below. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.